thank you for your purchase of Fun Ride's Bolt Tricycle, the ride of happiness. Built with the strong and sturdy materials, this fancy tricycle comes with heavy-duty wheels. Please follow this instruction video carefully to assemble the product and know the amazing features of it. We will now assemble this beautiful tricycle by using these parts. You will also need a screwdriver with regular and star shape. First, slide the front mudguard in the front fork and fix it in place by using the handle bush. Let's insert two AA batteries under the steering head to enjoy the colorful LED lights and fun music. Now, attach the steering head to the main body frame by using nut and bolt and cover the joint by using the handle cap. Attach the back end of the main body by using provided small nut and bolt. Then, attach the backrest over the seat by sliding it both sides. Let's attach the front wheel assembly to the main body by using the provided nut and bolt. Next, attach the back wheels to the end of the main body by using the accel rod, visor, and quarter pin both sides. Then, close the rod opening by attaching cap covers on it. Continue by connecting the rear mudguard to the back end of the main body by using the provided screws. And for the finishing touch, attach the front basket at the front of the steering head and rear basket at the back of the tricycle by using the provided nut and bolt. The fancy Bolt Tricycle is now ready for use. Enjoy the fun ride, the ride of happiness.